Good morning, guys. The chickens are awake, which means we are as well. It is crazy. I don't know if I'm on Hawaiian time. I go to bed around 8:30. I'm up around 5:30. This is crazy. I don't know. Our schedule's all off, so we're all just getting ready for the day. We're gonna go out and adventure today. The sky, the weather is a little bit cloudy, so I don't know if we're going to get into the water or not. I think that we should bring a change of outfits and swimsuits along, just in case we do, because you never know. Maybe we'll throw in our snorkel gear. Look at that little chicken run across. Run, chicken.
Run, chicken, run.
Oh, there he goes. The chickens are all over in those bushes, the trees, like they're everywhere. Chickens are hiding everywhere around this yard. So they start cock-a-doodle-doing in the middle of the night, and then they finally get us all up.
Yeah.
Anyway, I think we're ready to get this day started. Alrighty guys, our first stop on the day, we finally got out of the house, is to stop and pick up some supplies for a couple of videos, maybe get Jordan a little bit of medicine because she's feeling a little bit sick. And then we're going to head off and go exploring the south side of the island. Did you find you a pretty shirt?
What do you think?
I really like that.
It's in my cover up.
Is it a dress for you?
It's my cover up.
It's nice. It brings out the green in your eyes. Oh wait, you don't have green? Jake should get that. He has green. Anyway, we got some yummy more stuff. That looks like we might be doing a bonfire on the beach.
Yeah!
I'm excited. Jordan's trying on different things. Wait, Ty's tossing coins in jars. Lots of goodies in our cart.
Oh, and we also got this. These are
those
yummy.
Are so good, alright? Jake loves Hershey's stuff. Yum yum. Guys, it's McDonald's time. I guess we always end up eating this wherever we go. It's just because the boys saw it when we were in Walmart shopping and they're hungry.
So yummy.
We're here. We're doing it.
Double quarter pounder.
It's
Nice.
tradition.
It is tradition. It doesn't matter what country we're in.
Every country.
It's McDonald's. At least once. In case we haven't done enough beautiful canopy of trees, here's another road that has really pretty tree canopy. I love driving down roads like this, and then the vines just kind of go up these trees. I don't know if it hurts the trees or not, but it's beautiful. Actually, this one doesn't have a whole lot of vines. It's just canopied.
It's different.
It's really pretty. Such a great view. Good drive, good drive. Okay guys, we've been driving down dirt roads into fields and who knows where we're at for a while now. I think we're on the right track to the cave. I don't know. We may be leading a couple of vehicles astray that are following us. We don't know. We're just off-roading onto some dirt roads. Hopefully we're at the right place. How confident are you?
80%.
That's not too bad. It's kind of, hey, there's another car.
I'll go 85.
Yeah, it's getting better. There might be parking up here, so that's a good sign.
That is a good sign.
That looks pretty over there.
If I was a cave, I'd be hiding out here too.
Yeah. It does say a lot of like signs have been saying no beach access, violators will be towed, but it also says after 6 they will be towed. So we think we're safe, and we did just find a parking lot. Now we just have to find the entrance to the caves, which I think is to my right. I think I see a cave over there, but I'm not sure. So this might be pretty cool.
And tortoises?
Yes, there's tortoises here, guys. I'm so excited.
All right, let's do this.
Okay guys, we're going through this tight little crawl space to the cave. I'm excited to see it. Whoa, so you have to crawl through this little entrance. It's really pretty cool. It's tight. And then you come out here. Wow, and it opens right up. This is really cool.
I know when you were here on this round and throw someone in.
Okay guys. I feel like I stepped into an alternate world, like whether I'm in Jurassic Park or I discovered a secret time changer where I went through this tunnel and all of a sudden I'm in this different life, like time has shifted. Maybe I'm like 2,000 years back in time. This is really cool. This cavern is amazing. Check this out. Wow, guys. It's so beautiful in here. Imagine a little house back in here, your own little oasis. I mean, it just needs a waterfall coming down one of these like rock cliffs, and then it's like perfection.
Yeah.
Oh, and then if you went through the other cave, like, because there's another cave over there. If you went through there and then it opened up to the beach. So you'd have like mountains, waterfalls, beach, maybe some little pink flamingos out here on the lawn wandering.
That'd be cool.
This is amazing, guys. Luckily, there is no Jurassic creatures or bugs, so I'm grateful for that. Just little mosquitoes and spiders.
I heard there's a big spider that lives in the back of the cave though.
Yeah. And there's
Plenty of
a
those.
spider right there. Good spider.
Buddy's sitting there next to him.
Oh,
Buddy down there.
there's lots of spiders in here apparently. Oh my goodness.
Everywhere.
Oh, creepy. Okay.
Cave spiders.
So we're going to get out of this cave. We've kind of already explored it a little bit. And now we're going to go head over to the tortoises. And I think they have some pretty good garden grounds, and I love gardening. So we're probably going to check those out as well. Okay guys, we've been hiking up this little trail. And I think we came to the top of that cave. Wow, what a beautiful lookout, right? Wow. That's cool. Very cool. Okay guys, so we're here where the turtles are being kept, and it has this like nice little grounds here. And the turtles are over here. And I spotted one, it's so cute. Let me see if I can show you guys. Okay, we gotta walk around the cage a little bit. Oh, he's got his back to us. But they're in these little cages. He's over there relaxing. So fun. Do you like the tortoises?
Yes.
So they have several that they're keeping here in all these different little pen areas. I don't know where this Thor 26. I don't know where Thor is. Thor might be hiding out. Huh. Do we know where Thor is?
Thor is up in the cloud. Thor is defending evil.
Is Thor defending evil?
Yes.
Okay, so Thor could be anywhere hiding. I don't know where he's at. But the other one was way cute.
No, he's going to get his hammer.
Alrighty, I think we're done here today at the cave and at the tortoises. I'm not sure what we're going to do next. Maybe go to the beach because it was supposed to rain today. So we packed for this day to be a rainy day. And now it's sunny and I feel like we all need sunblock and swimsuits and water. So maybe we'll head home and change and try to go snorkeling or paddleboarding.
All the beach supplies that we found.
Yeah, and we found a few beach supplies at the house, so maybe we'll gather those up and go play.
Yeah.
Alrighty guys, we just got back home. We stopped at the store and went grocery shopping. We actually did some clothes shopping for Jordan, but we didn't really find anything, so we pretty much just wandered the shopping mall. It was hard, but we got some yummy food to grill on the grill. And if the weather holds out, then maybe, I don't know, Jordan's feeling a little sick, but if she feels better and the weather holds up, maybe we'll go and make a bonfire on the beach. If not, we'll do it tomorrow. But we get steak and chicken tonight. I'm excited, it should be good. And Jake has some crab meat, so that should be yummy. Yummy dinner. We're gonna stay at home and make dinner today because Jordan's not feeling well and she doesn't feel like going out to eat. And it is getting late and the restaurant's closed. So by the time we got her feeling better and headed off to a restaurant, it'd be kind of late. So I think we're just gonna stay in and let her rest. Alrighty guys, we just had our delicious steak and chicken and I think we're gonna go down to the beach and do some s'mores, start a fire, do a barbecue, a bonfire I mean. This should be fun. Okay, we're doing our pit right here. And Jake's digging it with his little shovel.
Jacob, look.
Yes, sir.
Let's see how it's done.
Got this, Jake. Let's go. He's gonna dig us a pit. It's kind of cold. Ooh.
We hit rock as soon as we go down this far.
This is gonna be fun though, you guys.
I think this is a pipe. Can't tell. Just keep digging, just keep digging.
Okay. Okay, we have a magic burning log, guys.
Hopefully it actually works. Gotta make a wall. Gotta make a wall.
Let's get it started.
Well, here's some paper
We
towel.
bring the lighter.
I got the lighter.
Only do this with parents' supervision because you're dealing with fire, and we have both of our parents here, and they're gonna be the ones leading or starting the fire and everything. So just only do this with parent supervision.
And on beaches that you're approved to do it on.
Yeah, make sure you're approved on the beach. Oh.
Not all beaches let you.
I don't know if this log is actually magic. Are you sure you didn't take it out of the wrapper?
You burn it in the wrapper.
Oh, something's happening. There we go. Watch out, watch out. Back up.
It's like a wind barrier, so.
Yeah. There's a wind barrier.
You can see.
The beginning of our campfire.
It's cold.
Making a wind
We
barrier.
burned 3 hours.
Oh wow, I don't want to be here 3 hours.
3 hours? We're gonna be here till
I'm making
10?
a wind barrier.
You might have to get the buckets and just drain the campfire.
Well, good thing I brought buckets.
It's already burnt. The wood's already burnt.
I'm making a wind barrier right here.
This is so fun. This is so cool. I don't think I've ever. Have we ever done a bonfire ever?
Not on a beach, but you have had bonfires.
Oh, I don't
campfires.
remember any bonfires like ever.
Up in the canyon.
Well, that's. I guess that's a bonfire.
Yeah.
I just considered that like a fire. You know?
Well, bonfires should technically be huge, and this is like a one logger, so
We can put more on.
I don't know if we want more on because we don't want to be here all night.
It's all good. We could just gather around our little one log fire.
Yeah, this is totally a bonfire, guys.
If it wasn't cold, maybe we would stay longer, but it's a little chilly.
It's just very chilly.
Warm with
But we're gonna get s'mores, right?
Just catch
watch
some
it.
fire.
Well, my wind barrier is doing as best as it can.
Jake's building a wind barrier. No, it's going out! It's going out!
That's not good. You might have to throw a paper towel on it.
I think this is just supposed to be the starter of the fire. Because you see how there's not an actual log, it's just burnt? I think we need actual wood. Jake, where's that log? The log!
It's covered in sand.
Might be wet.
Wet sand.
Yeah.
Might not catch fire.
I feel like.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Hurry and cook your marshmallow.
Grab the marshmallow stuff!
It's in the bag.
We got a barbecue back at the house.
Yeah, we could go back and roast them.
No. We are doing a campfire, guys. Need a bonfire?
Well, do you want to throw all three on?
Whoa, that's an ember. Okay.
Okay.
Should we throw all 3 logs on?
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, let's just throw them on. We'll have
Why
to douse
not?
them. There's no way we're going to use them all.
Does that
But
make it 9 hours long?
well, hopefully it'll still be 3 hours, but it'll burn a little bit more.
It'd be more warmth, but the same length of time.
Yeah, that's what I'm hoping.
Look. Is this wall big enough?
Your field's a little gritty. Hi there, you're sitting-
Guys, here's our little bonfire that we're starting on the beach in Kauai. So crazy. It's cold out though.
Oh, I'm making a sand wall.
Jake's keeping the wall so the wind doesn't blow out our fire.
Sorry. Start from the bottom, Jordan.
That log is lit.
Yay!
Fire success!
Ta-da!
How big
It's a
does my
little
wall?
warm. I'm freezing.
Guys, we're roasting marshmallows on the beach.
In Kauai!
In Kauai.
2019.
Yeah. This is awesome. It's so fun. The only thing missing is Audrey. I wish she was here.
Can I call her?
No, it's too late.
It's late at night where she is.
Yep.
Jinx is like.
Mine's not burnt. Mine's golden.
Ready? Ah! Into the fire!
Oh yeah, since the wall's giant sand.
It's not doing it!
Blow it out.
There we go, I just shook it out.
Well, be careful shaking it because if you flip it in someone's hair.
I tried to blow it out, but it wasn't blowing because the wind was already blowing.
Okay, I'm ready for the graham cracker.
You know what? I don't even want a s'more. I just want like a marshmallow.
There you go. You can have that.
I'm ready for the graham cracker.
So that's probably it for today. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.